Welcome to Santiago, one of the lesser known villages on Lake Atitlan.
So we're here at the boat ramp because this is where you will arrive most likely. The roads to get in here are pretty treacherous, but this is the largest town on Lake Atitlan. So let's check it out.
One of the things that Santiago is best known for is an abundance of indigenous Mayan culture.
Yeah, you will see that most people don't even speak Spanish here. They speak Mayan.
Yeah.
Which making it pretty difficult for us.
Yeah, all our Spanish lessons are worthless to half the population. But people are also dressed in very traditional wear. You'll see the women in their traditional skirts and shirts, and the men as well.
Yeah, and then you'll also see the ladies carrying things on their head, while the gentlemen come down from the mountainside with firewood strapped to their back and over their head. It's quite the feat to see.
It's incredibly impressive. Everyone here is in phenomenal shape and very much rooted in traditional ways. It's absolutely worth a stop to check out the traditional Mayan heritage.
Yeah, and if you were going to come for any textiles, this is the place to do it.
Yes, this is also the best affordable shopping in the lake. The shopping in Santiago truly is amazing. This is one of the best places to buy textiles and fabrics. As you can see behind me, all these beautiful fabrics. Everything in here is made entirely by hand. It's incredibly impressive. And if you want to learn how the weaving is done, you can also book a tour. We were able to book a tour with this shop right here to learn the traditional weaving process and see how it goes behind the scenes. And we also got a little trinket to take home.
One of the cooler stops we have made here in Santiago is to the Mayan god Maximón. He loves cigarettes, booze, and of course, money, because who doesn't like money? But one Mayan family gets to host Maximón for the entire calendar year. And all of the contributions that go to Maximón end up going to a festival that is hosted in September. And who doesn't like a good party? So definitely stop by here if you are able, but you have to get a tour guide because you don't know where he is going to be.
Welcome to the Mercado in Santiago. This place is popping off on a daily basis, but it's the biggest on Fridays and Sundays. Absolutely must check it out. And the best part is this place transforms. Every single night it turns into a street food market with grilled meats, fried chicken, and little baby tortillas everywhere.
This fire roasted chicken is absolutely amazing. I think we've already eaten at least 10 birds since we've been here. But certainly worth the stop. But the restaurant scene here is not that great. You have to do a lot of cooking yourself here in Santiago or Lake Atitlan, really. This place has definitely been our favorite so far, as it doesn't seem like a lot of people go out to eat here in Santiago. It seems as if most people cook at home, which is totally understandable. But yet, you know, we like to go out and try different types of cuisines a lot of time. And I'm pretty sure we showed you the roasted chicken spot that is definitely our favorite. So whenever you're in in Santiago, stop by this place, La Antigua. You won't be disappointed. Welcome to Firefly. As you can see, this place is pretty lush. It's because we're in a jungle. Really, really cool. There's a cabin back here. There's also one other cabin that's up front that you could stay in, or you could park in here in the back. But this place is 15 minutes outside of Santiago. Thank God we have our scooter gordita.
Well, this is an eco campground, which means everything is built for sustainability. We are basically in the middle of the jungle here, and we've got composting toilets, which you all know we are very familiar with, and these are actually really nice. Just a simple system. It's a bucket and some sawdust, and it works like a charm. Now let me show you my favorite feature of this sustainable campground, the shower. As you can see, we're in a greenhouse, and this is where you shower, so all of your water is used to water the plants. Very good to use biodegradable soap and such, and it's also solar heated, so it's always nice and warm. is actually way more luxurious than you think it is. I've really loved this feature about the campground.
Here's the chill area. As you can see, they have some water here for you. They do harvest their own rain into a big catcher, so that's really cool. There's a place for you to clean your dishes down here, so that way you don't have to use your drinking water or whatever. It does be a pain in the butt to have to carry your dishes down all the time, but that's van life for you.
All right, Santiago, it's been real, but it's time to go.
But we're not leaving Lake Atitlan, so stick around and see where we go next.
Yeah, follow along.